So P into bracket of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment between axis. Show that the equation of the line is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 2a. Okay. Here P is the midpoint of ABF. This is a line here. Consider this part A and this is a B here. Then we prove that equation of line AB is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 2a. Okay. Therefore, take your solution. Let AB be a line whose x and y intercepts are h comma k respectively. Okay, I am taking here x is a x intercept here and k is a y intercept. H comma k are intercepts here. Therefore, coordinate of the point A becomes what here? H comma 0. Coordinate of the point B becomes so k 0 comma k 0 k. Therefore, A is equal to H0 and B is equal to 0 comma k. Okay, here P into bracket AB be the midpoint of the line ABF. P is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, here we are using midpoint formula. P is equal to, here P is the midpoint of ABF. So H plus 0 divided by 2. H plus 0 divided by 2, comma. Then 0 plus k divided by 2. So 0 plus k divided by 2. You are using a midpoint formula. Therefore, P is equal to H upon 2 and k divided by 2. H by 2 comma k upon 2. But they already given a coordinate of P is ABF. Therefore, equate it here. So therefore, equating these two. Therefore, A comma B is equal to H upon 2 comma k divided by 2. Therefore, A is equal to H divided by 2 and B is equal to k divided by 2. Take to this side, cross multiply. So 2A is equal to H and 2B is equal to k. H equal to 2 and k is equal to 2B. So you know the intercept formula. Suppose this is x axis, y axis and origin. This is the line here. AB is the line. Then A is the x intercept, B is the y intercept here. The equation of this line is what here? Equation of this line is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1 here. Here h is the x intercept, k is the y intercept here. Therefore, equation of the line AB. Equation of the line AB is x divided by h plus y divided by k is equal to 1 here. Okay, this is standard formula already. A ಮತ್ತು B ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ h ಮತ್ತು k ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ x upon s plus y upon k is equal to 1. But h is equal to what here? 2a. K is equal to 2b is here. So x divided by 2a, then plus y divided by 2b, that is equal to 1 here. Here 1 upon 2 is a common factor here. So right outside x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 here. And cross multiply x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2x. So this is our required result here. X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. This is the equation of this line. Point r into bracket h comma k divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line. So here AB is the line here. R is the point h comma k is already given. So this divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Is already given here. Find the equation of this line here. So consider A is a x intercept and B is a y intercept here. Okay, take your solution. Let AB be the line whose x and y intercepts, whose x comma y intercepts are A comma B respectively. And the point r into comma in bracket h comma k, r into bracket h comma k divides the line AB, divides the line AB in the ratio 1:2 here. In the ratio 1:2. Okay. Here coordinate of A is a comma 0. Coordinate of B is 0 comma B. Because A and B are the intercepts here. So therefore it's the coordinate here A0 and the coordinate of this one here 0 comma B. Okay. Therefore bisection formula. Bisection formula. So coordinate of the point r is equal to, using section formula, 1 into 0. So 1 into 0, then plus 2 into a, 2 into a divided by 1 plus 2 comma. Similarly 1 into this b here, 1 into b, then plus, then 1 into 2 into 0 here, 2 into 0 divided by 1 plus 2 here. You are using a section formula in the internal division here. Yes, r is equal to, this is a 0, 2a divided by 3, 2a divided by 3 comma, here b divided by 3, so b divided by 3. But they already given coordinate of r is h comma k. Therefore h comma k, that is equal to 2a divided by 3 comma b divided by 3 here. H is equal to 2a upon 3 here, 2a divided by 3, and k is equal to b divided by 3. Take 2 upon 3 this side here. So h is equal to 3h upon 2 here, 3h divided by 2 is equal to a, cross multiplier. Take 3 this side here. So 3 into k is equal to b, is equal to b. Here a and b are the intercepts here. Therefore equation of the line AB is equation of the line AB is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 here. But a is 3h upon 2, use here x divided by 3h divided by 2 here, then the plus y upon b is 3k here, 3k divide is equal to 1 here. You can take a 2 to numerator here. 2x divided by 3h plus y divided by 3k is equal to 1 here. So this is a required line here. This is the equation of the line AB here. So by using the concept of equation of a line, prove that the 3 points 3 0 minus 2 comma minus 2 and 8 2 are collinear. Therefore take here 3 points as letter A 3 comma 0, then B minus 2 minus 2 and C 8 2. Okay, these are given points here. These are given points. Using the concept of the equation of the line here. Okay, equation of the line, prove that the points are collinear. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಮೂರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ equation of line find out ಮಾಡಿ taking any 2 points here. Okay, I am taking a first and second point here. Equation of the line AB. Equation of the line AB is, okay, the point 3 0 and minus 2 minus 2 here. So you are using a 2-point formula. Y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 here. This is called a 2-point form. Therefore y minus of y1 is a 0 divided by y2 is a minus 2 minus 0 is equal to x minus x1, take a 3 divided by, then x2 is this one here, minus 2 minus of 3 here. So y upon minus 2 here, y divided by minus 2 is equal to x minus 3 divided by minus 2 minus 3 gives minus of 5. Take a minus 5 this side, minus 2 this side here. So minus 5y is equal to minus 2 into x minus 3 here. Minus 5y keep as it is here. Minus 2 into x minus 2x minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 here. Take both term left side here. 2x minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is a equation of the line AB passing through these 2 points here. So if the equation satisfied by the equation part here, if you substitute x equal to 8, y is equal to 2 here. The equation satisfied, then only the point lies on it here. Okay, ಈಗ x value 8 ಮತ್ತು y value 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ here. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತೇವೆ, 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಳ ರೇಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, therefore put x is equal to 8, y is equal to 2 in 1 here. Is the equation 1. Therefore 2 into 8 minus 5 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. 8 2s are 16, 5 2s are 10, minus 6 is equal to 0. Hence 0 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Okay, the equation satisfied here. Therefore 1 satisfied by the point of, so C into bracket 8 comma 2 here. Okay, therefore A, B, C lies on a line here. Therefore A, B, C are collinear. ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 8 ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಯಿತು. ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಒನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 8 2, therefore A B C are line on a line, these are collinear points. Okay.